Hey guys, Kevin Fahey here, and thank you for checking out the JV page for our next upcoming launch. It is going to be Kevin Fahey's List Building and Email Marketing Masterclass, the AI edition. We are going live Friday, August 25th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be a quick 3.5 day launch, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, for you guys to jump on board. And I am putting up $500 in cash prizes. So I just want to explain what the product is and what the new training is all about. So over the past 3 months, basically AI has taken over the internet and ChatGPT. This training course was created last November, and it includes 26 training videos, which is basically my best email marketing training. Nothing has changed. It's still going to be massively valuable to your subscribers. But last weekend, while I was looking over the training and reviewing it, which I often do, I came to realize that a lot of newbies are going to get stuck on different parts of this, especially the way I put out the training. And things are so much easier now with AI and ChatGPT, such as creating headlines, creating sales letters, creating free giveaways, creating free WSOs, creating YouTube videos, everything across the board now. ChatGPT and AI can help these marketers with. So it's going to be no longer, okay, marketers getting stuck. That's my idea with this new addition to this training, is basically to any marketers that feel stuck with any of the tasks. I'm going to show them how to do it with ChatGPT and AI. So in a nutshell, basically, I'm going to be adding another, you could say, 40-minute to 1 hour training presentation to this. I could be charging different, launching a new product effort, but I just want to make it so much related to everything I covered here. And it's just going to be the icing on the cake for the customers who pick this up. With that said, we have a brand new funnel in place. Everything is more or less ready to go. I have a few tweaks to do on the OTO pages, but a brand new funnel in place. We've got the front end product. It's a dime sale. Free AI money is the perfect upsell for this with the new angle, which will also have a bump offer and an upsell pro if they buy that. Then we've got our 100k a year made simple and our free affiliate funnels with the reseller version and our trial membership. So, okay, some of these products has been launched in the past, guys, but we're looking at the stats. They can continue to convert month after month, and that's exactly why we've adjusted the funnel to some of the best converting products here. So all the details are on the JV page. Check out the link below this video. Please note that you must request an affiliate link for this. It's a brand new launch. It's a brand new product in that sense. So the prize money, guys, it's first place $300, second place $150, and third place $50. There's absolutely no minimum. So let's jump on board the weekend from Friday to Monday, August the 25th to the 28th. Let's make a bunch of commission and keep our customers very, very happy with some outstanding training. So if you have any questions, guys, just hit me up on Skype, hit me up on Facebook, or drop me an email, our support desk, and we're more than happy to help you. Cheers.